So ngayon dito sa Shediac, New Brunswick is already 7:30 ng gabi, which is sobrang liwanag pa, as in nakita nyo yan, gabi na dito So isa lang ibig sabihin yan guys, spring is coming, and then after spring I can't wait for this, which is summertime camping season. Sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon talaga sa totoo lang. So, dito ako nagtatrabaho guys. And then, tignan niyo yung weather, sobrang ganda. So, yung mga leaves niyan, for sure soon, meron na. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng mga puno is walang mga dahon. In a couple weeks yan, meron na, magkakaroon na sila ng dahon, may buhay na ulit ang Shediac. So, I can't wait guys.